Working on my 2006 Chevy Cobalt SS, and today I'm going to be replacing the battery, and I'm going with the AutoZone Value battery. It currently has the AC Delco battery. The battery is located in the trunk, so the first thing you do is remove the spare tire cover. Then there's going to be one 13mm bolt holding the strap that straps it down. There's a vent tube because this is in the trunk, it vents through the trunk, and then two 10mm nuts that hold the battery posts on. The battery is so dead right now I can't tell the current mileage, but it's right around 120,000. So let me get started. I'm going to start by removing the dead battery. All right, first thing I'm going to do is remove the 13mm bolt that holds the battery strap down. And then there's a little plastic piece right underneath this. And this plastic piece goes like that down. And then that's where the bolt goes through. Bolt clip. Sometimes it stays on, sometimes it comes off. Next thing I'm going to do is remove the negative battery cable. And always start with a negative, that way if your wrench hits something metal, it's not going to short it out. And the vent tube, like I said, looks like it's cracked and broken, but there's a little 90-degree bend plastic piece that goes in there, and that connects to it. So I'll get a new one of those. Then we'll remove the positive battery cable. Remove the original AC Delco battery. This isn't the original one, but this thing's lasted quite a few years. Definitely got my money's worth out of it. Alright, first thing I'm going to do is install the battery tie down, the plastic piece in there. And nothing will kill a battery quicker than either extreme heat or extreme cold, and it's been exceptionally hot this summer. Okay, I'm going to remove the negative protective plastic cover and the positive protective cover. I'm going to do this in reverse order. Install the positive cable first. Always wear safety glasses when you're dealing with batteries. Actually, I usually wear safety glasses anytime I work on a car, period. Alright, now install the negative battery cable. All right, now I'm gonna give the car a quick start. The current mileage is 120,138 miles. Starts right up. Beautiful car. So now I'm gonna put the spare tire back in there. I didn't have to remove the spare tire, but I just wanted to clean out the trunk area while I was here. Put the spare tire back in and the trunk cover, and then I'm gonna find a new L adapter for the vent tube to go into. And that is replacing the battery in a Chevy Cobalt SS. A common question from Chevy Cobalt owners is, how do you give and get a jump start? Do you have to go through the trunk and remove everything in order to get to the battery? Fortunately, Chevy thought about that and put a way to give or get a jump start underneath the hood. Under the hood at the under hood fuse box is a positive terminal, and then on the strut tower is a negative post. So you can hook your jumper cables right up here and either give or get a jump start. Really need to clean this engine. It's a little bit dirty. But that's a super easy way to give or get a jump start and get power to the car.